This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, as of our last class, what we discussed in the last class, we mainly discussed upon the select class, how to select value by using in the drop downs. In the select class, drop downs values can be selected by three ways. One by using select by ID, select by index, select by index, select by value, and select by visible text. And we have discussed about the code to write how to select a value, and also we discussed how to print all the options in a drop down by using get options method. By using for each loop, I can print get text method. We can print all the option. How to know first option is select which option is selected or selected option in drop down by using first selected option method is available in the Selenium. Which option is selected? There are two types of drop downs in Selenium. One is okay, single selection drop down, another is a multi selection drop down. In the single selection drop down, we can select directly, whereas multi selection drop down, if you select a value with manually without any code, then we need to perform with control keyword. We need to select multiple options. The same as actions class also, same as select class also, we are going to perform this select object by using this multi-selection, select by ID, select by index, select by value, and select by visible text. And there is a one more method is available in the deselect class in the multi-selection, that is deselect by ID, deselect by index, deselect by value, deselect by visible text, and deselect all will be available. Okay, and if you want to know which what are the items selected, get the selected options will get the all the list of selected items in a multi-selection dropdown that will be stored in a list of element by using same as for each loop will print it. If you print by using the iterator, it won't print the get text. It will print the format called the string. It is filled in the JVM format, like bytecode, some code format. To print, we need to use the get text method. Okay, and these are the things we discussed in the previous sessions. Now we are going to discuss very important topic: how to handle alerts in Selenium. You know alerts. You've seen a lot of alerts in your career. మీ రియల్ టైంలో మీ ఓన్గా ఎప్పుడైనా అప్లికేషన్ చేసినప్పుడు విల్ గెట్ సమ్ అలర్ట్స్. See, for example, if you are using banking application, see if you are using some banking application, actually, banking. While performing login, it logs some pop-ups saying that I accept the pop-up like this. See if I go to login, okay, in the login page, if you perform some login operations, it logs something saying that if I set like this, see pop-up is coming. Customer ID cannot left blank. See, this is the one type of pop-up. అవునా కదా? This is the one type of alert. ఏం చెప్తుంది? Alert showing the information to the customer is nothing but alert. Alert is nothing but it's a small pop-up, okay, which is displayed on the top of the page and provide the information to the customer. What is meant by alert? Alert is a small pop-up which is inside a web page which gives the information to the customer. Okay, is called the alert. Alert will stop the execution. See, I'm not able to perform any operation over this page because due to this alert. After accepting the alert only, you can able to perform operations over the page. What is meant by alert? Alert. It is a small, okay, pop-up which displayed over a page. 1 second, guys. I'm getting one call. Alert is a small pop-up which is displayed over a page. Yes, alert is a small pop-up which is displayed over a page. It provides information to the customer. See, it providing information to the customer. A customer ID cannot be left blank. Okay, it will stops the execution of application. Correct or not? Okay, this is called the alert. Okay, see in how many ways we can alert the we can control the alerts in very important question, guys. Make a note it. In how many ways you can handle alert in a page? In a alert can be handled in 3 ways. 3 ways we can handle alert in web page. The first alert is simple alert, and the second one is the confirmation alert, and the third one is the prompt alert. Okay, these are the 3 types of alerts in Selenium that we are going to handle with the help of, okay, all above 3 alerts can be handled with the help of Selenium methods or functions. Selenium methods the functions use చేసి we can able to we can able to handle these alerts. Okay, see we can where we can find this all type of alerts. There is a n number of no make a note it. Where we can find these alerts in web applications. Anyone? Where we can find this type of alerts in web application? I can say that in banking domain, and e-commerce, and some other applications. I think so. There will be some applications, but we don't know. We mostly see this type of applications, like banking application, e-commerce application. We can find this type of alerts. Hey, accept that alert. Hey, yes or no. Okay, I can go with some other applications. See, in IRCTC also there is a alert will be there. I think so. See, this is the alert. We need to accept this alert. This is a simple alert. See, I am taking on booking, searching, Then after that, I'm selecting this, going to book it. Click on agree. Yes. See, without writing anything, if we come back, sorry, in this page also it will show some alerts. You know about this. Okay, based upon the situation, it will show some alerts. These alerts can be handled with the help of the Selenium WebDriver actions by using alert functionalities. See, I will tell you in how many ways we can handle the alerts. Okay, the mostly there are what are the methods available to handle alerts in Selenium. Okay, methods in Selenium. See, coming to the methods available to handle the alerts in Selenium is those methods are accept. Very, very important, guys. Accept method is available. Dismiss method is available. Get text method is available. And send keys alert is available. These are the four types of main things we are using to handle alerts in Selenium. So I have one example link page will be available. I can show you. See, this is the page. See, there are three types of alerts that we can handle with the help of this. See, I'm an alert box. This is a normal alert, simple alert. Yes or no? Why I'm saying this is simple alert? It contains only single option. Yes, only we need to accept this. It is a single alert. And coming to the second alert is nothing but what are the second? It is confirmation alert. See, I want to OK. Click on OK or cancel. Need confirmation. Okay, this confirmation alert. I can click on OK. See, alert message will be displayed here. See, you click on cancel. You press the cancel in confirmation button. You press on cancel. See, this is a prompt. Means I need to enter some text here. Okay, please enter your text, and after that we can accept it. Prompt means it is showing some prompt. See, some authorization. Sometimes it will ask you to enter your credentials in the alert itself. No? Okay, this is called the alert type of alerts in Selenium. Now I am going to write some code over these alerts so that you will get some clarification. Okay, students. How to handle alerts in a web page by using alert class. Okay, alert class contains some methods like accept, dismiss, send keys. Okay, and whatever other method, accept, dismiss, send keys, and get text. The previous session we discussed about the drop down, how to handle drop down, how to select a value from a drop down. One is multi-selection drop down will be available, and then the single selection drop down is available. Now we are going to discuss about the alerts. Okay, there is some common code will be there. System.set property. You know that. I will write inside main method, or I can create one method. Some common code will be available. System dot set property for the installation of WebDriver. How to install WebDriver? WebDriver. These all are small letters. Chrome dot driver. Okay. Then I need to pass the path of the location. Where is my Chrome driver executable file? In this location, I stored my executable file. In your laptop, you place it somewhere. Okay, then WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Then after that driver dot how to maximize screen. How to maximize screen? Anyone?
Drive, driver dot manage dot
Hmm, hmm,
window dot maximize.
very good. How to apply implicit weight?
Driver dot manage dot
Hmm,
time im, timeouts dot
hmm.
implicitly
Implicit weight. Time
wait
unit 20
wait
seconds.
5 minutes. Yeah.
See, this you need to know. ఈ syntax మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా రావాలండి. Without knowing syntax, you can't do anything in the office premises, in the interview room. In the interview room, he will ask the interviewer, "Hey boss, can you write the code for the implicit weight?" They will ask this type of code. How to install WebDriver? Can you write a code? And they will ask some this type of questions. Okay, be ready for the interviewer questions. Okay, interviewer will ask this type of questions: how to initialize WebDriver, how to maximize the screen, okay, how to apply implicit weight. You need to ready to write a code, okay, for those things. Then only you can able to crack the interview. How to launch a page driver dot, how to launch an
Get
application, get,
get
or by
URL
using navigate method also.
navigate.
But navigate method is used to navigate to one page another page, but it is not recommended. Okay, I am using this URL, and after that I am able to going to perform some operations over this page. What are the operations I am going to perform? I will tell you. I am going to perform handling alerts in a web page. See, I can tell you some code. See, whereas see, if I click on this button, there is no locator to find this alert. See, there is no access to find the HTML DOM page. Means HTML development. See, whereas here you can able to see all the HTML session. See, for this we have the access to see the internal development structure. Based upon this div tags, anchor tags, names, IDs, class names, I am able to find out this element. Whereas by using these alerts, we don't have the permissions. Just we need to switch to this alert and perform operation over the alert. Listen once again. We need to switch to the alert and perform all actions over that alert. Okay. See, I will write. First, what I will do means I am navigating to this URL. Then after that, I want to click on this button. If after clicking of this button only, we are able to see the alert. How to get this export? I click inspect. You can see here. It contains so many things like button ID. Alert box is available. See, if you want to get text from here itself, we can use like this simple way. What is the tag name for this button? Yes or no? One second, for everything same should correct. I'm taking this as ID. Right now, no need to take it because if I take this functionality means it is duplicate. See, this is also using click me. This is also clicking click me. So I am taking with ID, alert ID. This is confirmation ID. So then I can take it as a unique element as a ID. Okay. Why I am not taking this text means this text is common to all the elements so that I am taking ID is available. I can explain you in detailed way one session entirely into the XPath and CSS. Okay, no need to worry, guys. I will explain you. Driver dot how to interact over element. Driver dot
Find
base
element.
tag. What about others? By dot ID. What are the operation I am going to perform this element on this element? Apart from Rajshekhar, anyone? What I need to do here? I need to click on it, guys. Then I need to see this is a separate page. This is a separate page. This is a page has been developed with the help of the HTML tags. Whereas this is the page developed with the help of the hmm, alert. We don't have the any HTML design over this. So we cannot able to perform normal operations like this, like ID name like this and performing operation. We need to switch to this alert. By using switch to method, okay, driver dot switch to dot alert. I am storing this. What is the return type for this alert? See, for the alert, return type is alert. Okay. If no alert is present, it will show some exception. Take from the interface alert open QA. Sorry, guys. Then after that, I want to perform operations. What is this alert? It's a normal alert. We need to click on accept. See, accept means okay. Alert dot accept. What will happen if I run this code? See, I'm giving some time so that you can understand what is going on. Time will show this some add through declaration. It's the interrupted exception. This is the normal method. This is a which method? This is a static sorry instance method or concrete method. If you want to call this method, in which way we can call this method? By creating object. How to create object for class? Anyone? ఏంటండి ఈరోజు ఎవరు రెస్పాన్స్ ఇవ్వలేదు alerts demo reference is equal to new
Reference is equal to new alerts.
alerts demo reference dot what are the method available alerts handle. See, this method is showing exception. So automatically here itself we need to handle that exception. If I run this, what will happen? See, maximized, click on this alert and accepted. See, we are going to switch to alert and performing some operations over that alert. See, if it is this alert, this is about simple alert. Please do practice, guys. Without practice, waste of attending the sessions. Okay? If you do practice as much as possible, then only you can able to do something. See, I am going to explain how to perform dismiss operation. Right now we discussed accept. The same I am using the code, but I am changing this into the separate box. Right now we work on the alert box. Correct? This is the alert box. I am going to perform this box over this. Inspector ID showing confirmation box. I am taking confirmation. It will open this confirmation box. Then I am taking as a this is for accept. This is for dismiss. I am taking dismiss. Okay. If I run this, what will happen? See. I want to close the drive browser after some time. After seeing for 10 seconds or 5 seconds, I want to close that browser. How to close the browser? Anyone? How to close the browser?
Driver dot
Tell me.
close.
Yes. Are you there, guys? అందరు ఉన్నారా? What about Mahesh, Manoj, Kiran, Srinivas, Radha? No one is responding. Please respond, guys. Your response is more important to me. If I run this, see what will happen. Till the page is loading. I want to dismiss now. We'll see what will happen here. Driver dot switch to alert. I will run one more time so that I can able to understand what is the issue. Well, wait, still page is loading. What will happen? Why will take accept instead of that? It has to perform action. See, it is showing the link. Then after that, we are performing click operation over this button. Okay. Then after that, this page is opened. What happened to this browser also? 1 second. See, we are doing the same thing, but what happened to this code? Still loading, still working. No exception. ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఏం ఎక్సెప్షన్ త్రో చేయలేదు. ఇంకా రన్ అవుతుంది. Why it is running that much of time? Why it is taking that much of time? Okay. I can perform one more operation. 1 minute. I am terminating this program. To terminate a program, click on this red button. Okay. I am getting the text over this alert. Over this alert, I am going to take a text.
No, this is I accept. Already that accept is there in this.
Huh? In Russian?
Bro, మీరు already that accept రన్ చేస్తున్నారు ఇప్పుడు.
అవును యాక్సెప్ట్ రిజల్ట్ యాక్సెప్ట్ డిస్మిస్
ఓకే ఇక్కడ అంటే గెట్ టెక్స్ట్ చేసి అలర్ట్ డాట్ గెట్ టెక్స్ట్ చేసి ఒకసారి డిస్మిస్ చేయండి.
అదే చేస్తున్నా ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ ద సేమ్
ఆ,
నేను అదే చేస్తున్నా గెట్ టెక్స్ట్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నా విల్ సీ ఐఎమ్ టర్మినేటింగ్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ సీ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ లాంగ్ టైమ్ means it is not switching to this alert correct even though it's on the same page. One minute guys, I will run in a debug mode so that I can get clarification. I will explain you why it is not performing. One second. If I go for the normal, what will happen? See, for this it is working means దీనికి వర్క్ అవుతే ఆటోమేటిక్గా it should be work for this also. Both are same, nothing will be different. I'll write this code one more time. What will happen? Driver dot switch to dot alert. Okay, successfully navigated to alert. I am storing this into alert. I am taking same alert for getting of text, and then I am going to run this code. Let's see what will happen. చూద్దామండి. See, we are opening the Chrome browser, maximizing the browser. Then after that, switching to alert. Alert means driver dot switch to method alert. Then after that, over that alert, I can take it as a simple alert. For that, our reference it will be very easy. Switching the alert and going to perform the accept operation. Still page is loading, but still where is the cursor? I'll check it once. This function is executed. Okay, then it comes to this function. This is also executed. It is not prompting to see ఈ ఫంక్షనాలిటీ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ కావట్లేదు. నేను డీబగ్ మోడ్లో రన్ చేస్తున్నాను. డీబగ్ అంటే ఇంకా ఒక స్టెప్ తర్వాత ఇంకొక స్టెప్ని నా ఓన్ వేలో రన్ చేస్తున్నాను. సి అది ఎంతసేపు ఇక్కడే ఉంటుంది తప్ప ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు సమ్ అదర్. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్కి వెళ్ళట్లేదు అసలు. It is not navigating to the alert. Maybe something messy with the application. I will check and let you know. Okay. మన కోడ్లో అయితే ఏం ఫాల్ట్ లేదండి. సి నేను యాక్చువల్గా నేను డీబగ్ మోడ్ పెట్టాను. డీబగ్ మోడ్ మీకు తెలియదు, బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై డీబగ్ మోడ్ మీన్స్ వీఆర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటింగ్ ఈచ్ ఎంటైర్ అప్లికేషన్ లైన్ బై లైన్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ది డీబగ్ మోడ్. నేను క్రాస్ చెక్ చేసుకోనికి. సి ఐ కెన్ చేంజ్ ద డీబగ్ పొజిషన్స్ ఆల్సో. Debug తీసేసాను. I am putting from here debug. See, if I run this in debug mode, what will happen is I will show you. I'm running this in debug mode. Right click. Actually, we are selecting the run as. Now I am selecting debug as. Okay. If I press Control, if I press F6, this will be executed. Okay. Then if I press F6, next step will be executed. Close this. See now Chrome browser is initiating. Okay. Now I want to click on this F6. See, now the window is in minimized state. I want to maximize it. So I am executing this program by using clicking on F6. Maximize. Now I am performing to apply implicit weight. Click on F6. Implicit weight applied. Now I am going to open this URL. Press on F6. Open this URL. Okay. Now I want to perform click operation over this first button. Click on F6. It will perform click operation. Now I want to wait for the 3 seconds. F6. 3 seconds it is waited. Now wherever the green line, that line I want to execute. If I click F6, this will be now the position switched to alert. It executed. Now I want to print the text over that alert. This is the text. I am an alert box. Yeah, I am alert box. It is printing. See, now I want to accept this. No, it is working. Previously, it is not working. Maybe some application issue. Now F6. It will wait for 3 seconds. Now I am performing F6 means it will close the browser. See, it is closed. Nowhere is available. Yes, guys. అర్థమైంది అనుకున్నా I will tell you in the descriptive way, very detailed way you can understand. We'll change why now it is working fine. I don't know why. Maybe application issue or our issue. We need to check it. I'll check for confirmation box. Oh my god. Still the program is in progress. See, program ఇంకా ఉంది. So I want to terminate this program so that I am pressing F7 so that it will stops execution. See, I am changing this to confirmation box. Now I am running this program in the same debug way. మళ్ళీ debug లో రన్ చేద్దాం ఫర్ సేఫ్టీ ఇష్యూ ఎందుకు రాలేదో debug as java debug పాయింట్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టాను నేను స్టార్టింగ్ లోనే పెట్టాను. సో ఐ వాంట్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ F6 క్రోమ్ డ్రైవర్ ఇన్స్టలేజ్ నెక్స్ట్ అక్కడ గ్రీన్ కలర్ వచ్చిన తర్వాతే దెన్ ఓన్లీ యూఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు పెర్ఫార్మ్ ది debug ఆపరేషన్. Chrome browser initiated. Then I want to maximize this. What to click it? Click on F6. Maximize. I want to apply implicit weight. To run this program, click on F6. Yeah, implicit weight. Now I want to navigate to this URL. Click on F6. Navigate to particular URL. Okay. Then I want to click on confirmation box. Click on F6. See, it will click on confirmation button. Now I am getting 3 seconds wait. Wait for 3 seconds. Now I want to get the text over that pop-up. See, I get the text. Press a button. Press a button. Now I want to accept this pop-up. Accept is done. Now I want to wait for 3 seconds. F6. Okay. You'll wait for 3 seconds. Now if I click F6, this session will terminate. See, F6. See, it is closed here itself. See here, there is no. Then I want to click on F8 to terminate the entire application. Okay. In this way, I am doing. If I run this in normal mode, see what will happen. I am removing this debug. Just click on it. Double click on it. It will remove debug. Now I want to run this program in normal mode. Run as Java application. One second. I can apply here. Give me 2 minutes. I think so. Maybe some synchronization issue, page loading issue. See, normally execute అవుతుంది ఇంకా page load అవుతుంది. Maybe this is the one issue not able to handle with the execution. Debug mode లో ఒక స్టెప్ తర్వాత ఒక స్టెప్ చేయడం వల్ల it is able to perform. Wherein wherein normal mode it is not executing due to some page loading issue. Because page loading issue వల్ల it is not able to perform. Whereas in debug mode it is working fine. Okay. Right now you can take it directly. Tomorrow I will see it why it is not able to perform actions. Okay, over this alert. See guys, there is no change. Why it is not working means it is taking a lot of time for loading of page. So it is not able to transfer to this pop-up. ఈ పాపప్ స్విచ్ పాపప్లోకి డ్రైవర్ స్విచ్ అవ్వట్లేదు ఎందుకంటే పేజ్ లోడింగ్ ఇష్యూ వల్ల విల్ సీ ఇట్ ఓకే బట్ ఇన్ ద డీబగ్ మోడ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వర్కింగ్ ఫైన్ డీబగ్ మోడ్ అయితే వర్క్ అవుతుంది కదా టేక్ దిస్ యాజ్ డిస్మిస్
మోహన్ గారు
చెప్పండి కిరణ్
ఇక్కడ మనం కన్ఫర్మేషన్ అలర్ట్ అని ఇచ్చారు కదా పైన హెడ్డింగ్ సో మనం ఇక్కడ సిస్టమ్ డాట్ అవుట్ డాట్ ప్రింట్ఎల్ఎన్ లో సింపుల్ అలర్ట్ అని ఎందుకు ఇచ్చాం అక్కడ మొత్తం అలర్ట్ లో కూడా సింపుల్ అలర్ట్ అని ఇచ్చాం కదా
రెఫరెన్స్ ఈ అలర్ట్ మీదకి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ రెఫరెన్స్
ఓకే రెఫరెన్స్ కింద తీసుకోండి
ఈ రెఫరెన్స్ ద్వారా వీఆర్ కాలింగ్ ఇది నేమ్ ఎందుకు రాసామంటే ఇంకా వీఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ఆన్ ద కన్ఫర్మేషన్ అలర్ట్ ఫర్ డిఫైనింగ్ ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు ఓనర్ ఎవరు కోడ్ రాస్తారు
మోహన్ బ్రో ఇది థ్రెడ్ ఆర్ స్లీప్ దిస్ రన్ చేయండి ఒకసారి
ఇక్కడ
స్లీప్ 5000 ఒకసారి అది తీసి
ఓకే ఆల్రెడీ
కోడ్ ఐడి చేసి థ్రెడ్ ఆర్ స్లీప్
ఓకే ఐ విల్ షేర్ See, actually it is taking more time than expected. I will show you. See, we need to pause it 3.3 because it is still loading. See, I will try as your way also. Please go on mute. Rajshekhar mute లోకి వెళ్ళండి. I will try. What will happen? I terminated the program. Now I am going to run it again. Yeah, it's working. Oh, very good guy. See what will the
Yeah.
changes? Okay, due to time permits, it is changing maybe. Okay, nice. Nice, Rajshekhar. Time valla, it is not able to transfer over the alert. You can take this code as a okay. See, now I am going to use get text also. Get text we already used here itself. Okay. Now we are using send keys. How to use send keys? I will show you. I am going to perform some operations over this element. I am using prompt box ID. I am using same code. Okay. Then I am going to get text and I am going to enter some text here. Switch to alert. Get text instead of alert. I am going to sending text before that. Simple alert dot send keys. I want to pass. Before that, I want to clear if any text is available. I don't know. We'll see what will happen. We need to check it slowly. What it is going to do. Okay. See why it is not taking this time. If I enter the time parameter, it is not able to do the something.
If the time address is not found, when we are giving the time,
See, already you are saying that address is not one, but already our alert is, see, driver is already on the alert. See, this functionality is executed. Means the driver focus will save
yes.
itself. But why it's continuing? I need to check it. Okay, yes. Right now, take it as it itself. Later we'll see on this, debug on this, do some operation on this. Okay, you saying correct, but you're asking some question, Rashikar. You're saying that it is not focusing to this alert, but we already focused into this alert. After this alert only,
Yes.
I passed the time. See, after switching to alert, but not able to take the indicate. Yeah, right now you can take this code, working fine, but due to some synchronization issues, it is not working. Next class or some other time, I will take other URL apart from this page. Apart from this URL, I can take other URL to handle these alerts so that you will get some clarification. Right now the code is same. You can apply in different URLs. Instead of this URL, you can apply in different URLs. Okay, guys? That's all about the alert.
Bro, can you,
Hmm.
Mohan bro,
Hmm.
can you send some emails to work on those?
Hmm.
ఇండికేస్ కానివ్వండి, అలర్ట్స్ కానివ్వండి, వీటి మీద ఆపరేట్ చేయడానికి ఏమన్నా డెమో యూఆర్ఎల్స్ ఉన్నాయండి?
I will share you. I will get some URLs from my side. Today I will get some URLs.
Yeah.
I will share to you people from tomorrow session. Okay?
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Okay. రాజశేఖర్ మీ సైడ్ నుండి నాయిస్ ఎక్కువ వస్తుందండి. Please. Student, practice the same code over the other URL. In this URL, it is not able to do. I can take some more URLs. If possible, I can share you tomorrow session. Okay? Okay, guys. Kiran, Rashekar, is it fine?
Yes.
Okay. The code is same, but due to some synchronization issues, some page loading issues, we are not able to perform. While in the debug mode, I will explain you today. See, what is meant by debug mode is nothing but, guys, listen very carefully. What is debug mode? If any code that won't work with normal execution, but you feel when you feel everything is correct, we can run in debug mode. నథింగ్ అండి, మీ కోడ్ వచ్చేసి నార్మల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ రన్ కాలేదు, బట్ యూ ఫీల్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద కోడ్ యూ రిటర్న్ ఎంటైర్లీ కరెక్ట్. See, right now what happened, I feel that code is entirely working fine, but while working running is a normal mode, like run as it is failing, but while in the debug mode I need test. By using this debug mode I can test. By using this debug we can test each line of execution and observe carefully. Prati line will check it line by line by using debug mode. Keys used for debug mode is F6 for step into. Step into means next step. One after one step execution we will use it. Okay.
మోహన్ గారు, అది F6 డైరెక్ట్ గా ప్రెస్ చేయడమేనా మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేసి?
అవునండి, F6. First we need to give the debug point. Before that,
ఓకే.
we need to provide the debug point. Okay. We need to provide debug point. Okay. At which place we need to exit, at which location we need to start our code in debug mode. We need to provide the debug points. For debug points, we need to just click on here itself, double click. We'll create a debug point. Here itself, after I see if I remove here, 1 second. If I put debug mode here itself, up to this line, normal execution will take here. From here, our execution control will changes to debug mode. If I click on F6, 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 line by line statements will be executed. See, after completion of some lines, very, very important. After completion of couple of lines, if I feel comfort, then press F7 for switching to normal execution. ఏం లేదండి నేను ఇక్కడ ఈ ఈ ఈ ఈ బటన్ మీద క్లిక్ ఇస్తుందో లేదో నా డౌట్, ఈ అలర్ట్ మీకు స్విచ్ అవుతుందో లేదో డౌట్, బట్ ఇక్కడ నుండి నాకేం డౌట్ లేదు. సో నేను F6 ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేస్తే కనుక ఇది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ F6 క్లిక్ చేస్తే కనుక ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. కానీ నాకు ఇక్కడ ఇంకా చాలా లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, ఇంకా ఒక 10-20 లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. నేను అన్ని లైన్స్ నేను ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయలేను కదా మళ్ళీ డీబగ్ మోడ్లో. నాకు ఈ కోడ్ నార్మల్గా వర్క్ అవుతుందని నమ్మకం ఉంది. సో దెన్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు పెర్ఫార్మ్ F7 ప్రెస్ చేసినాక జస్ట్ నార్మల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ స్టార్ట్ జరిగింది కదా, అలా నార్మల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ కన్వర్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే గైస్, అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటా. కిరణ్, సతీష్, రాజశేఖర్.
F7 అంటే ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ మనం డబుల్ క్లిక్ అయినా చేయాలా మోహన్ గారు?
నో
అవసరం లేదా?
జస్ట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ కర్సర్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ ఫంక్షనాలిటీ యూ ఫీల్ దిస్ విల్ వర్క్ ప్రాపర్లీ, ఇదంతా వర్క్ అవుతుంది ప్రాపర్లీ, యూ హ్యావ్ ద కాన్ఫిడెన్స్. ఓకే దెన్ ఇఫ్ యూ క్లిక్ ఆన్ F7 బటన్, దెన్ దిస్ స్టెప్స్ విల్ బి ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్ నార్మల్ వే లైక్ దిస్. ఈ స్టెప్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయినాయి కదా వితౌట్ అవర్ ఇంటరాక్షన్. ఓకే, ఫర్ దిస్ విల్ యూస్ ఫర్ ది F7 అండ్ వి యూస్ F8 for termination. Okay, F6, F7, F8. Okay students, very, very, very important. You can take it as how many stars you want. If you know the debugging mode, ఎందుకు ఈ డీబగ్ మోడ్ ఎందుకు వాడదామంటే ఇంకా సమ్ టైమ్స్ అప్లికేషన్ విల్ లోడ్ వెరీ స్లోలీ. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, అలర్ట్ మీదకి వెళ్ళిందా లేదా నాకు కన్ఫర్మేషన్ లేదు. See, driver switch to alert or not, I don't know. Where I run with the debug mode, each line of statement working fine. I got the clarification, yeah, it is navigating to alert. Okay, but if I perform any thread or slip over below the alert, it is not working. Okay, for this, for our confirmation, for our clarification, see, I got the ID for this, but I don't know, unexpectedly the UI of this page ID changed. డెవలపర్ ఈరోజు నేను రన్ చేశాను, వర్కింగ్ ఫైన్. రేపు వచ్చి రన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇట్ వోంట్ వర్క్, అట్ దిస్ పొజిషన్ ఇట్ విల్ ఫెయిల్. ఐ డోంట్ నో, ద ఐడి విల్ బి చేంజ్డ్ బై ద డెవలపర్ ఈ ఐడిని చేంజ్ చేశారు రాత్రికి. సో F6, F7 మోడ్లో రన్ చేస్తా వచ్చు అనుకోండి, ఐ విల్ షో అట్ దిస్ లైన్ ఇట్ విల్ షో ద ఎక్స్పాత్ ఇస్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. దెన్ ఐ విల్ చెక్ వన్స్ అగైన్. ఓకే, that's about the debug mode. That's about the today's class over the alerts. Okay, and tomorrow class we are going to discuss about and the next thing we are going to discuss is mouse over action. See, something we are not able to perform with the inbuilt methods. Inbuilt methods lekunda konni actions we need to perform by using mouse over actions. Okay, in the runtime of the code. We can go for the mouse over actions. Okay, This we are going to discuss about tomorrow session so that you will get some clarification about this. And after this, we are going to discuss about the explicit weight. You know about explicit weight also. Right now, we are done with implicit weight. How many types of weights in selenium? Anyone? How many types of weights in selenium? There are three types of weights in selenium. Those are implicit. Okay. Right now, we completed with the implicit weight. What is the code for the implicit weight?
Driver.manage.timeout.implicity wait time and timeouts.
Okay. How to perform? Okay. How to select a value from drop down?
Select by value, select by index, select by visibility text.
Select by index, select by value, select by visibility. Correct. Okay. What are the different types of locators in Selenium?
ID,
Apart
name,
from
class.
Rashik,
ID name,
Rashik,
ID
others.
name, class name, tag name, linked list, partial, linked list, extra, CSS.
Okay, what about
LFS.
others? Manoj? Manoj,
Yeah, sir.
types of locators.
Yeah.
Okay.
ID name, class name, CSS, XPath, text link.
Okay. How to maximize a browser? Sadish, how to maximize a browser? Others? Kiran?
Driver dot
Driver.max.
Okay, Kiran. Chapani.
maximize. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize.
Okay. Okay, if you people are familiar in this basics means that you can able to say something in the interview room without knowing anything. Manoj, you have to learn these types of locators in a proper order way. Like you are saying that ID, XPath, CSS means in the interview room definitely they will ask, did you learn something from outside? Okay, whatever you are saying in the interview room that should be in a clear way. I'm training you. Don't take it as a negative thing. Okay. మీరు చెప్పేది కరెక్టే అండి బట్ యూ నీడ్ టు సే ఇన్ ది ఆర్డర్ వే
Okay, bro.
ఓకే
Sure.
ఓకే
Okay.
ఓకే ప్రాక్టీస్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్ ఆన్ ద డే టు డే యాక్టివిటీస్ ఓకే హౌ టు గెట్ ఆల్ ద ఆప్షన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ది డ్రాప్ డౌన్ ఎనీవన్ by using get options we get the options then by using for each loop by using get text method I am printing all the options of the drop down. How to get the first selected element in the drop down? By using first selected option method we'll get it. How to deselect? By using deselect method which will be applicable only for the multi selection drop down. Okay guys, in how many ways we can handle the alerts? What are the methods in the alerts for handling?
Accept, dismiss, get text, send.
Send keys. Okay. How many types of alerts you can see? We can see simple alert,
Simple,
confirmation alert.
confirmation,
Okay,
prompt.
next. Okay. So that if you learn on the day-to-day basis all these concepts means so that it will be very easy to you people and practice as much as possible. Right now we said one example in this link. This link is not working. This link is not working as per expected. So you people try to get other links. Just type alerts in the Selenium. It will show some Guru 99. Come here. See, they are providing some URL. How to handle the alerts. Okay, take the code which they provided for handling our alert. They will provide some code. Yeah, this is the code they are providing. Use this URL. Pass it over here. Click on submit. Alert is showing. Okay. Click on reset. Click on submit. Alert is showing. Okay. Use this URL for the alerts. Oh my god. Kiran, for last 2 day session, you can ask to Ravi Kiran. He will help you. Okay. See, if I click on submit button, you will get this URL. Okay. You can perform access and dismiss method over this URL. Okay. And also you can enter the text also. Something we can perform by using these alerts. Okay, just click on the browser so that you can get the text. See, same thing he is doing. Alert data accept. In this way, he is able to perform the some operations over the alerts. See, he is saying that 53920. Perform the same operation over this alert. 53920. We are getting some alert like this. Use some links so that you can explore yourself. Okay, students. In this way, we can manage the alerts over the Selenium. ఇంకా చాలా sites ఉంటాయి. I can give just simply type handle of alerts in Selenium. See, there is a one more page. Guru 19 is completed. I can go for the tools keyway. He is going to provide some other URL. Just simply use those links. You're writing some code. In the code itself, you see. Use this link. Simply, just no problem. No need to check somewhere. See, click see, normal alert. Click see, confirmation alert. Okay, text alert, prompt alert. Use this URL. This is also work fine for you. Okay, students. Use some different types of URLs so that you can be able to do some operations over these alerts. Okay, Rashekar.
Okay, bro. Thank you.
Okay, Radha. Okay, Satish. I think you can use this type of links. Just type in a Google. They will provide a number of links. Practice over those links so that you can get some clarification and some knowledge over that. Okay. Okay, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.